Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I am going to be making another classic, good old-fashioned retro style bread and butter pudding. Yeah, let's get to it. Pretty easy. So to start with, I've just got my baking container that I'm going to be baking it in. I've got 9 slices of bread that I've cut into diagonals, like so. And I've quite liberally buttered them. Now 9, I've actually got really thick slices of bread, so if you're using thinner bread you might need a few more, or depending on the size of your container, just play it by ear, but you want to have enough to sort of layer into your dish. So like I say, one side's buttered and we're going to leave the butter side up, and we're just going to layer the bottom with that, and we sort of, doesn't matter if it sort of overlaps a bit. Push it in a bit if you need to. Now here I've just got some cinnamon, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of that over. Here I've got some nutmeg, same thing, sprinkle some of that over. I've got some raisins, we're just going to sprinkle them over, depending on how much you like raisins, how many you put in. I love them, so I'm being generous. And we'll just repeat that with our layers. And we'll just put that aside for a minute. Alrighty guys, now next step, I'm just going to gently heat up some milk. So I'm going to put in 1.5 cups of full cream milk. I've got 1/3 cup of thickened cream. I'll get that in there too. Like I say, we're just going to gently heat that up. We're not going to bring it to a boil or anything like that. We just want it warm. Now just while my milk and cream is heating up, I'm going to whisk up a couple of eggs. I've got 2 eggs with 3 tablespoons of sugar and a slug of vanilla extract. And we just want to get that nice and fluffy. So now I'm going to take my warm milk and cream mixture and slowly tip that into my egg and sugar mixture while we're still whisking. And I'll just put that on the lowest. Alright, next I've just got my bread and spice and raisin concoction, and I'm just going to tip this all over. And I am just going to squish that up a bit. And I'm just going to leave that to soak now for maybe an hour or so. Alrighty guys, so that's been soaking now for a good hour in that custard mix. I've preheated my oven here to 180 degrees Celsius. Last thing I want to do is just put a coating of sugar over the top, sprinkle it over. Don't be shy with it. Beautiful. And I'm going to leave that for, I'll check it after half an hour, but it could take a bit longer, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. We'll see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so I've got a serving of my bread and butter pudding in my plate here. Now usually what you could do with this is serve it with some custard or ice cream. Ice cream goes really well with it, especially when it's still warm like it is at the moment. But yeah, I just want to taste it as it is. We'll get our spoon in there. Get her up to have a look. And yeah, as you can see those layers of bread in there. The specks of the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Those beautiful plump raisins. Let's try it. That just brings back instant good memories. Kitchen memories of my nan's kitchen. Yum. Super simple dish, really easy to make, absolutely delicious. I love it, and yeah, quite economical. Really yummy actually. I just got to give a shout out to my #1 subscriber, James. He absolutely, I think he informed me he absolutely hates this dish, so apologies to you, James. In actual fact, he's probably not even watching this once he saw the title, so yeah, scrub that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. You guys are awesome. Really appreciate your support. And for those of you out there who haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, can I ask that you hit that subscription tag thing? That'd be great. It would support me and my channel really nicely. But you know, if you don't want to, no worries. But yeah, check out some of the other videos. There's plenty of videos on the back catalogue, over 400 of them there now. So yeah, I just thanks for watching this one anyway. Alright, I will see you all next time.